Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at SBET stock. This is SharpLink Gaming. We are seeing this one dropping on Friday by a further 3.2%, and if you have a look at this one over the past couple of weeks, you can see the 5-day period is quite red, down 18%, and the past month is down by 36%, with a 6-month trend which now, despite the major gains, has seen consistent drops really since about mid-July. The question is, where do we go from here? Again, the stock from those highs is losing 60% of its value, and from the ultimate highs we're seeing this one being down massively, right? Down by 80%. However, all in all, from where we were in May, the stock is actually still up by 122. I'll be giving you my personal thoughts and opinions on what might be coming next over the course of this video. If it sounds like a good watch, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, it would help me out a lot. But as always guys, remember, this is just my opinion and certainly is not financial advice. Anyway, yeah, let's jump straight into the video. Now, like I say, the trend is broadly down. And the question here, as it is or has been for a while, is when is the bottom coming in? Are we going to hold on to any key levels of support, and where would they even be? I think there's a few things to pay attention to here. Now, one is a previous level, or the closest levels that we would have liked to hold up. That could have been levels around 1710. It could have even been levels around 1655. They just have not held, right? These levels that we've seen previously. Also, then we break into the downside below the 1580 range, which is also significant. If we're looking to our next historical support, you could be looking to go as low as 1257, could be looking to go lower than that into the 11s, right? In which case, that would represent a major loss. The overall ambition that I would like to see into the next week is a slowdown in downwards momentum. All we want to do at this stage is establish a support. And when we can establish a support, when we are looking to find a new bottom for where the stock is going to sit, the question then flips into, where do we go from there, right? The question then flips into, is the strength still there to see this one hold up at levels that we have previously seen? Now, again, we're really just not seeing this one hold up as we would like to at the minute, and we're seeing this one just fall and fall as the weeks go on. So going forwards into this week, the ambition is very simple, right? We want to see this trend slow down. We don't want to see this one bleed out continuously. If we can begin to establish a support, then we can begin to ask the question as to whether this one has that strength to move back up. However, right now, I do not currently have the confidence to 100% confirm that. Again, we've seen this one down by 3% on Friday or more. That in itself is worth considering in the broader climate. Now, at the same time, the next levels of support to the downside are going to be quite a way away from where we are now. If we can't hold on to Friday's lows, which were around 1434, I think there's every possibility that we could drop even lower, like I say, into the 12s, or maybe even lower than that, if we don't establish that support. Would I buy this stock right now? Personally, I would not. I don't see us being anywhere near any key levels to particularly make me feel comforted. We also are not seeing this one really hold on to the or at least slow down the trend, right? We're not seeing this one hold on to the uptrend. We're seeing all of these gains essentially slipping away, and we're just about trying to establish a support now. So again, it is still possible, but I think more likely than not, it's going to be more to the downside, which would of course present better buying opportunities later into the future. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. You can do what you want. However, that is just my opinion. I personally wouldn't be buying right now. I see better opportunities for this one coming in the not too distant future. Time will tell though if that actually plays out. Thank you for your time. Hope I'll see you again soon, guys. Goodbye.